So you've just started your YouTube channel and you have a bunch of videos. You're trying to figure out how to make things effective and efficient so that people will come, watch your videos, watch more videos, subscribe to you, and stick around. Well, today we're talking about how to build out effective playlists and the positive impact that that can have on your channel and for your channel growth. Hey everyone, what is up? My name is Tim Rose, and on this channel my goal is always to hit my mark and to help you hit your mark on YouTube as well. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications right now. Okay, so let's just dive straight into this topic because it is an extremely exciting topic because there's so much you can do with it to help propel your channel growth. So essentially, what is a playlist? Well, playlists, for those of you who are maybe new to YouTube and you're not as sure what it is or how to make it effective, essentially a playlist is a list that is on your homepage or available for people to see when they come to visit your channel. And playlists are very effective because what you can do with them essentially is create a series of videos that can be designed around a specific topic or a specific issue within your niche. So what I would highly recommend is, depending on your niche, there's a lot of different things you can do. One of the best things you can do is to take a look at your content, go through it kind of with like a fine-tooth comb, and then look at kind of the subtopics within your niche and determine which ones fit together well, and then maybe which ones would be off topic for a particular series. So as an example, I'm going to show you some of the different elements on my channel page, and I'm going to show you right here. Basically, if you go to my homepage and take a look at this, you'll see as soon as you get to my page, first of all, you'll see a channel trailer video if you're not currently a subscriber. And for those who are returning subscribers, you can actually have a different video play for them, which is a really handy and effective tool. You can maybe put in your latest video or something like that as well. But essentially what you're looking at on the screen is you're seeing my playlist broken down into different categories that are going to help really gear, or I guess direct people towards a specific thing they're coming to my channel for. So for example, you see that when you arrive on my homepage, I have immediately a category called "If you're new to my channel, welcome, here's some videos to get you started." And what I've done is I've created introductory videos for people to immediately go to for them to start looking at tips and strategies on how to grow their channel. And as you scroll down my page, you can see that I've designed and created different categories of playlists, but all related to the things that I do on my channel. So you'll see that I have Q&A videos. And one tip I would just like to let you know too right now is, even if you don't have 5 or 10 videos to go in a particular series, but you have just 1 or 2 and you're getting going on it, still create that playlist, because this is going to be an effective way to direct people to certain things. And as you grow, your playlists are going to get bigger and bigger and more effective. So now let's talk a little bit about why effective playlists are so important and what else you can do to really design and create these playlists, which are eventually going to allow you to create what's called a watch trap. And essentially what that is it's almost like a funnel where someone comes in, sees a particular component of your channel, sees a video they like, and then they're really, they really like it, and then they're hooked in. And what happens is they go, it's like your classic TV shows, right? They always left off on a cliffhanger and you're like, I don't want to wait till next week. I can't wait to watch, the next one. So essentially what you're doing is leaving things off on a point where it leaves them wanting more. And if you use good hooks for them to get them into the video, then they're going to really be, desiring to watch more and more of your content. That's where you come in as the content creator and as the designer of your channel page to create these great ways of funneling people to the next video. So one effective thing you can do that I think is vastly underutilized by people in a lot of videos, and I know I've used them a few times, but not as much as I should probably, is info cards. Info cards in the middle of the video, like the one I'm going to link up here, which essentially lets you create a video or a playlist for someone to open up after they've watched the current video and then go into a series of videos. And that's what you want. If people just come for one individual video and then they're like, okay, well, I enjoyed it a lot, but there's no suggestions for anything else, they'll, vamoose, and they're gonna go find someone else or something else that they want to watch. You want to create as many opportunities as possible for people to have a reason to click on the next video. The more you do this, the more that the algorithm gets the signal that people are enjoying your content, responding to it, and guess what? YouTube will start to promote your videos more and more and more. So the more effective you are at this, the more effective this can be for your long-term growth. Now the info card is handy because it opens up avenues for you to talk about previous videos. Maybe you had a popular video and you will kind of want to bring it back and refresh it or get more eyes on it. Maybe you have a video that didn't do as well, but you want to try and get more views on it. It can be a really effective way. And if you have any of your own tips on info card or info card placement, please share them in the comments below, because I always love to know what you guys think of all these things as well. And answer each other's comments too. People have questions and you can jump in and chime in with your thoughts on everything as well. I love seeing that in the comments too. Now, another really effective tool in terms of your playlist that I think a lot of people underutilize as well is the end cards at the end of your video, right? Your last 20 seconds of your video is your opportunity to create the excitement around clicking on the next video. So if you just kind of abruptly say, okay, well, that's it for today, guys, see you later, and then it ends, people are like, well, what do I do now, right? They need you to tell them what to do next, because we're like that as humans. We like to have guidance and instructions. We like to have decisions made for us in a good way to direct us as to what to do and where to go. And so this is just smart psychology. It really is creating that experience. What you're doing is creating an experience and storytelling and telling this amazing story through your video, and you're creating an experience for someone to come in and leaving them wanting more and more and more. So the more you do this, the better your channel will grow. So your end screens should always have at least a couple of videos pop up. You can also put in, your logo for subscription if you want to. You don't have to, but at least put in 2 videos. And I always make one now. One thing I've learned is to have kind of a best for viewer, because YouTube is a lot smarter than we are, and it knows, it really does know which video is probably going to be the best, most clickable video to get people to stick around and watch another video. So I always do a best for viewer. And then the other one that I'm now doing is now I'm making it a playlist, because if someone comes in now, when you have 40, 50, 60, 100 videos, and they see that, hey, there's a playlist of Tim's YouTube tutorials, there's 45 or 50 videos in here. Man, I just want to sit back and I want to relax and I want to, kick up my feet and I just want to soak in some knowledge and stuff. People will then go and spend hours watching your videos. And the more that happens, the more the algorithm is saying, you know what, this is a good channel. People are enjoying this content. So this is an extremely effective way to build that watch trap for your channel as well. Another thing that is vastly underutilized by a lot of people as well is your pinned comment, okay? Super important that in your pinned comment, you kind of have all your information, and it can be long, it can be short, but always put at the top of your pinned comment if you enjoyed this video, or if you like this video, you'll really enjoy this next, or here's the next video to watch, and link one of your videos from your channel as the next video to watch, because this allows people, I mean, so many people go through the comments and read comments. Your pinned comment is the first comment, right? Everybody's gonna see it. So if you're directing people from this specific video to another, oftentimes it can be a series of videos that maybe relate to each other. There's lots of ways you can create that watch trap and get it to be more and more and more effective. So the pinned comment, here's what to watch next, very underused by people, but an extremely effective way as well to grow your channel, because you know, all these little things we talk about, they really add up. They might be little things themselves and seemingly not that important, but all of these things when combined are what can give your channel a massive opportunity for extreme growth quickly. So those are some of the main things around creating an effective playlist that are really, really important. And if you implement these strategies, I can guarantee you're gonna start to see some increases. You're gonna start to see your views climb. You're gonna start to see more and more watch time accumulating. You're gonna start to see your analytics and your data increasing. And that is always an extremely exciting thing to have happen. Now, if you want to learn more about YouTube, you want to learn lots more about effective strategies to grow your channel, how to gain subscribers, how to gain views, then watch this video over here. And if you want to learn even more than that and you haven't gone through all my previous videos, then watch this YouTube tutorial series over here. This is going to give you lots of inside information and knowledge as to how to grow your channel. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see all of you in the next video.